Hello everyone, this is Yogita from English Finishing School and I'm back with another important cue card for your upcoming IELTS speaking test. That is a company in your hometown that employs many people. So let's not waste time and quickly move to the discussion part of this cue card. Talk about a company where you live that employs a lot of people. And the cues are: where is the company? What does it do? What kind of employees work there? And how do you know about it? So let's move to the journal idea, which we can develop in that 1 minute, which examiner provides us by writing various points across. First, we need to choose a sector: banking, FMCG, or education. Which sector you're going to pick up from your hometown where the company belongs to. And then the growth of any city town is always based on its industrial load. This is a journal sentence which you can use in the beginning to start with your cue card. Industries and companies are the backbone of our economy. This also can be one sentence which you can use in a journal idea to write a statement, to speak a statement about this cue card. And then company's location in your hometown, it's located in the heart of the city, and you can also mention the nearest landmark, like it's quite near to the bus stop, quite near to the railway station, so like that. And you can also say my city has many industries, factories, and companies to talk about. And the sectors are also multiple, such as banking, insurance, education, and manufacturing. And out of these, you pick one which employs a large number of people, and probably you know about it. And then you probably need to talk about number of employees nearly, how many people. Workplace culture, how is the culture of the company in terms of handling employees? The company is employee friendly. Employees are very happy working with this company. And job satisfaction, they get job satisfaction because have they get job satisfaction because they have get-togethers and events. Accounts, retail, banking, home loans, direct sales, these kind of employees are there in various departments. And then companies employees also are given training opportunities, and they groom themselves to perform better, and they get high perks and salaries, so they get motivated. Also incentives and bonuses time to time based on their performance. So this is the journal idea, and now we are going to discuss the model answer for this so that we are able to score a higher band. Take ideas, vocabulary words, and nice phrases from this model answer and use it in your speaking test. So let us discuss. Companies and industries are an essential fuel to run the vehicle of economic development of any community, society, or country. The cities, which have a lot of companies and industries, tend to open various avenues for its citizens so as to get better jobs and have a modern lifestyle. My town also can boast of many such companies in diverse sectors like education, banking, finance, and manufacturing. Here, I would mention an organization in the field of banking in my city. It's a popular bank, that is HDFC Bank. I feel inclined to talk about this company as my husband has worked there for around 10 years as bank manager. It's located near the main bus station of the city. Being a well known national brand, the company employs millions of employees as it has widespread network of branches all across the country. In my city, there are 7 branches with nearly 400 employees who are either management professionals or graduates in various fields like finance, commerce, and accounting. I indeed appreciate the work culture of the company, as the company offers high perks and incentives to its employees. They organize various events like mega sports events, parties, award ceremonies, family get togethers to boost the morale and motivate their staff members so they perform better. Also, its services for its customers are attractive, and all the employees are quite helpful, providing the best customer service. So, that is all about this Q card, and I hope you learned many ideas to develop for your Q card. And best of luck for that. So, you do well and keep connected to us through this channel, which is a very resourceful channel to help you for your IELTS exam. So, to stay updated and connected, do subscribe our channel